feels so amazing. From the first day I walked in, I was nervous, and since day 3, I feel like $1,000,000. My name is Fiona. I'm from New Zealand and I'm here at Vera Smile. Being from New Zealand, it was amazing having a translator. That was very important to me. The whole journey has been really simple and smooth. I recommend Vera Smile to everybody and anybody who is interested. So the whole journey has been really straightforward, smooth and easy. Everybody has been so friendly and helpful and made sure that I've been well looked after along the way. So I am very happy with Vera Smile. This place is very aesthetically clean looking. On top of that, it was very hygienic. Everything was very professional, from the staff to everything they used. And overall, I felt like I was getting $1,000,000 treatment. Payment was super simple. The ladies gave me all my different options on how I could make payment. We literally made payment the day I came in for my consult and literally went straight upstairs. So very easy and straightforward. Pain-wise, considering I got crowns done, it was very simple. The whole process was straightforward, and actually it was less painful overall than what I thought it was. Oh, look, I've already shown my friends and family sneaky little photos, and I actually had my mum say to me that I have $1,000,000 smile. So I know everybody's going to be blown away when they see my new smile, definitely. I have noticed a change in my confidence. Before, I hated smiling. In fact, I would avoid smiling wherever I can, and now I can't stop smiling. So my confidence is on a whole new level. Yeah, I couldn't believe that feeling. I actually had tears coming out of my eyes when I saw my new smile. It's been over 20 years since I've had beautiful straight teeth. So yeah, it was a long time coming, and I'm just so thankful to have my new beautiful smile. Look, if you're on the fence about coming overseas for dental surgery, I highly recommend it. Vera Smile is super professional, very friendly, and they will work with you to achieve your overall goals no matter your budget.